Can you? You cannot. That's spirituality.
You always should be happy, but that's not so. So this world is not an imagination which can be dismissed. And that's what you think non-duality is, spirituality is, and this is where you have mistaken. Non-duality is not dismissal of this very experience as unreal. Why do you think subjects' life self-knowledge are a child's play? Where you just sit and negate this is not there, and you are happy. You can't even imagine how foolish you sound when you say that. Go look at the level of competency of a second class math textbook. And the way you are talking about Vedanta, you look at the competency required for this subject. It looks like the second class math is more difficult than Vedanta. And it looks like everyone are better off just dismissing this whole world as not real. Because understanding anything else looks very complex, and this Vedanta looks very easy. Just dismiss everything as not there. This is what is ignorance about Vedanta. Vedanta is not such a simple subject where you can just dismiss everything as unreal and get away. And even if I say it is unreal, this whole experience doesn't go away as unreal. To understand what Vedanta is saying, people devote their whole lives, take sannyasa, take to celibacy, where they willfully withdraw from all the worldly pursuits, worldly pleasure, for gaining this knowledge alone. Now, as per you, they could have just said there is unreal and sat where they are and do what they're doing. Now, as per you, they could have just said there is unreal and sat where they are and do what they're doing. The first point is Vedanta cannot be gained by reading books. What is talked about is Shravanam, listening to a guru, trying to understand the subject matter by a guru. Reading will only make you pick up these kind of funny ideas where you're dismissing your very experience, and which is foolish. And the second point is Vedanta doesn't deny your experience to arrive at non-duality. Non-duality is to be understood, and non-duality is not just simple negation as unreal. The Vedanta study is a committed study of Upanishads, not for the heck of it, but to understand ourselves. Upanishads are the only books which talk about what we are. And this is the only way to figure out and understand what we are. There is no meditative technique, nor some Shakti path, nor some Tantra, nor an organization which can help us gain what Upanishads can give us. Now, if you say that I don't believe you, then this video is not for you. This whole video is for understanding a subject called Vedanta, which is another word for Upanishads. Vedanto Nama Upanishad Pramanam.